Hello, viewers. Sri Ram Kumar here. This is a Saturday morning from India. A lot of COVID stuff happening. We are very cautious. At the same time, our leadership team is still working hard to bring things in control in the country, also all over the world. So when we talk about leadership, we definitely talk about some of the interesting things in the world about leadership, about something in great MBA in a big university. Yeah, that is one form of learning. Other form of learning by experience, yes, well and good. There is another form of learning which is called certification, right? And in the sense, it mixes both experience, your knowledge, your dedication. Kneel down, read well, and clear the exam, right? If you say kneel down, somewhat like that. I was talking to Bhavik, how the exam? He said, man, it took my energy. So first, let's congratulate Bhavik who cleared PMP recently. That is on
Yeah.
22nd April, he cleared. It's a big effort because he's into job. He says sometimes I don't sleep, Shriram. I wake up by 3 o'clock, I start preparing. Okay, it says that the commitment, right, where you feel that it's not forcing. Nobody forces you. You can cancel the exam. You can stay away from PMP. I
Yes.
don't want PMP. Who's going to force you? It's your wish. So it shows that you have some commitment to do something in your life. So congratulations,
Yes.
Bhavik, for this wonderful
Thank
effort.
you. Thank you so much. Your guidance and your support, it's make me like okay, I can achieve it. And finally, I have this certificate now in with me. So it's a great pleasure. And during training time, it took me to understand little bit time, but finally I got it now. I'm so happy. So thank you so much for your guidance and support. It really helps me a lot.
Good
Thank
to
you.
know. Good to know. You're positively boosted now.
Yes, yes. It will definitely it will boost my individual means uh, it will boost my for next whatever I am going to do. At least
Right.
for confidence I am having that. That is
Exactly.
important.
Your confidence level look like you will go and join in Indian Army.
No, no. But yeah, I'm much confident than previously. Thank you so much.
Nice. Nice to know. What I do is I'll bring you a certificate. So we will see your achievement. Here it goes. So this is Bhavik Kumar Gupta, 22nd April, and he successfully rocked it. Okay. That's good, right? Once you clear, put in LinkedIn that proud and pride. Hey, man, I did it. That's important. See, I too see, right? A lot of people clear certificates and they keep posting. When you watch
Yes,
out
yes.
for the PMP, different certificates are there, but PMP when you post, the rhythm is slightly different.
Definitely. Yes.
Because you know the toughness. Okay, great. So let's talk a little bit. What is your domain? What do you do as a job?
Uh, Actually, I'm basically in pharma industry. So I'm working in research and development. So I
Man,
work as a
most
work is
most needed domain, huh?
yeah, currently in this situation. So
Okay.
basically in research, but we do receive project from outside client. So we need to execute those
Okay.
and we have to take transfer. We have to do some
Okay.
reports and all to the client. So
Nice.
but basically it's predictive. I'm not in the software uh, development or software part, but
Uh-huh.
fine. So we
That's
do
good.
have some project activities and all.
Yeah. Hey, in a pharma also, you have opportunity of being little adaptive, right? It's not always
Yes,
predictable.
yes.
Some portion can be
Mm,
adaptive. Very
mm.
good. Good to know. How many years experience you come with?
Now total 7 year experience in pharma domain.
Decent decent time. Decent time to jump
Yes,
company. Huh?
yes. It was must required, I would say.
What I found in my experience is people crossing 5 to 8 years experience always hunt for new job. What is
Yes, yes.
after 10 years they settle in one place. They'll say, okay, enough man, got married, bought a home, bought a car, no more movement, stay in the same place.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good there. That's fantastic. So, which country generally you work with?
US client is there.
Yes,
I
country.
would, mm,
Okay. So, how they respect
basically.
this management knowledge? Do you see that there is respect for this?
Actually, in my company means whatever the activities we are doing. So like previously, I don't know what SOW is, like what the roadmap is. So basically, in my company, everything was there. but I was not into that much, because I has to like activities there. I need to finish. I have to go home. So I need. So this 3 years it took me, means okay, I am understanding the whole concept. Then suddenly I asked one of my project management uh, working there. So she told me, you can, I like your jobs, like job title and you are whatever you are doing. So tell me about this. Then she only told about this project management course. Then I said, she told it is tough.
Uh-huh.
So this one I asked 2 years before only.
Oh.
From there, that time it was in my mind, okay, I need to do. But when she told it is very tough, then I said, oh, just leave it. I have not went into that deeper.
Mm,
But recently, that January, I guess,
mm,
December, I
mm.
heard about this project management. So I went into that. Because of this application process and all. It was, I'm reading, but I'm not understanding. So one
Ah,
person helped me a lot.
ah,
So he also joined your team,
ah,
January batch. He's also with me. So both we joined,
ah.
and we decided, okay, we'll go for it. And finally, one step, like application. I joined your training session. After that, it was everything was clear, crystal, like clear everything. And then it started. In January, I started actual preparation,
Now, when you
like
say
everything.
everything is clear, look like all got over.
No, no, no. It was everything was I got here. Okay, how to do? Uh,
Okay.
that is it. It is in my mind that time.
Fine. Okay, good. Good to know. Good to know, Bhavik. Bhavik, one thing interesting is at the 7 years of experience, you are able to come to this level. It's really a big achievement. Okay, because I see people with the 10 plus years experience don't take care to learn management skills. But if you're telling this 2 years back, you started at the 5 years of experience, you started asking questions to the senior management. Hey guys, what are you doing? That's
Yes,
quite
yes.
interesting. That's quite interesting.
Mm.
Good. Then okay, let's go preparation a little later. What kind of exam you went? Proctor or center based?
Proctor.
Okay.
Center West means I went to Shivaji Nagar. This is terminology.
Terminology
Difficult to
problem.
understand.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, because I have a much English problem. I came from totally Hindi background.
Nothing
So
wrong.
yes,
Nothing wrong. Don't worry. English is one of language. That's it. Don't worry.
yes,
Unfortunately, people shown us English is a rich one. Nothing there. It's another language.
yes.
That's it. Okay. So no worries.
You,
Until you
you should, yes,
fine. Until you can communicate, that's fine.
that's
Great. Good
fine.
to
Yeah,
know. When you went to center,
yes.
are they checking anything on the specific ID cards? What kind of check happens there?
Only they asked me your ID card, and before that, they told switch off your mobile. Then
Uh-huh.
you're allowed to enter the premises. Then I switch up. I went inside. They were given one sheet. There everything was written, like what to do, what to not to do. I sat. Then they started the process. Like they recorded your photo and signature they've seen, ID card they've seen, and they said, okay, sit now. After that, we will communicate when to go inside the lab.
So those minutes waiting, can you refer the books? You keep reading there. What are you doing there?
No, inside when I say you can't refer any book, and even you can't check mobile. They completely told, now everything you have to stop. You have to sit calmly. That's it.
Okay, it's like a prison life, huh?
Yes, like it was like
Do
a
they
battleground.
do they give a locker key to put things in the locker?
Yes, yeah, they do. I received one locker key. Every stuff I kept inside with
Uh,
mobile, and only ID card was allowed.
uh-huh,
That
uh-huh,
I took with me, and
uh-huh.
nothing else, like watches, everything they removed.
Are they allowing ornaments to wear, or are they asking to remove it out?
Ornament they have not asked, because I used to have this one,
Uh,
so they're not asked
they didn't ask
about
anything.
this.
Fine,
Mm.
fine. Because I remember the day when I went to exam, they asked to remove the any chain because if for doubt you may have a lens in that to record the session.
Okay, okay.
They ask you to remove those things. Okay, good, good. Okay, now coming to the questions. How was the first few questions?
Uh, it was like, for me, I would like to explain it in a agile way, if you don't mind.
Please,
It's
please
okay.
go ahead. Please go ahead.
So questions were high, uncertain, very complex, and scope was not defined, risk was more. This is type of 60 question I received. So I started going. It taking me more time actually. My cycle time was like whip, whip was the 60, but throughput was very hard. Within that time to do that one process. It was so in first iteration I would say 60 story point I am having,
Mm,
and I
mm.
need to finish. So it was very tough. I would say very tough for me because the question first 60 I received like one time I thought this question is belongs to PMI only, no? That difficult I came. Total scenario based. I mean, I referred Prepcast, Rita questions. Nowhere match is there. I mean, PMI, how they're bringing this type of question is everything was like corporate,
Mostly would be of,
total hydro project,
I think most
construction
of,
business.
yeah, they pick up from real-time situations. That's what I feel. They pick
Yes,
up.
basically from real time. So
Okay.
first 60 questions, it took me almost, you won't believe 2 hours. two
Yeah,
hours it took because to understand the question I'm taking so much time because that my
that's
English also that much to understand it is very difficult for me. So it
and
went little tough 60 question, I would say.
oh,
Yes.
not little tough, heavily
But
tough.
one more thing is there. Yes. One more thing I would say. What
Uh,
happened when you're having tough questions, right?
mm,
If you know the background, everything, so to eliminate means wrong answer, it is easy. Actually, they are making easy, but you
mm,
need to understand and we have to focus on those answers. That
mm.
was I pretty used to do that one. So
Nice.
after 60 question, it was okay. Means tough, but okay.
Okay, but 2 hours is pretty high. But did
Uh,
you get a little nervous that you lost 2 hours now?
Now I will tell. First 60 question when I completed, there will the screen will appear like in review.
Uh,
So because I know the complexity, I know how I went 2 hours. I spent almost. So I didn't went for sprint review. Directly I submit the button
uh,
and went for the retrospective 10 minutes retro. So their cycle one iteration my finished.
God, man. Hey, you said you are from non-agile background,
Yes,
but you
I don't
talk,
know anything.
but you talk retrospective iteration, backlog.
That way you thought no. You teach me a lot this as agile background. So I used to frame everything in an agile way. Okay, I need to because if you are not framing, no, it is difficult.
You are
That's why I'm
spoiled.
framing.
You are spoiled with agile now. Okay. So what happened? 10 minutes you went out.
Yes, then I decided one thing is came into my mind.
Mm,
That one negative thoughts came. Okay, it is not possible for me. One first thought came.
mm,
Then I said to myself, I will try and fight till 180 questions. I will not give up. And
mm.
that actually boosted me a lot. So
Nice.
after first iteration, everything
Uh,
was okay. I did my retrospective meeting with my virtual team,
uh,
everything, and I
uh,
decided I will go to till last iteration. I will deliver my this project to customer. So actually, basically, I second I came from the this 10 minutes break. I eat chocolates and some fruits I took. And that
mm,
day, one more thing. Actually, I wake up 4 o'clock that day.
mm.
Thank God I slept early that time. I got
Oh,
sleep.
okay.
So at 4 o'clock, wake up like normal exercise and cycling. I did. I went 8 o'clock was my timing morning.
On the exam day, you went for cycling.
Yes. Actually, to take some oxygen into my brain, it will
Looks
work
like,
like very good.
you will keep oxygen cylinder behind you and go.
It is much required in the COVID situation, right? Oxygen.
Okay. Okay. Because I
So
see
I
people on the day of exam
mm,
morning, they'll keep on flipping the papers, keep reading.
no, not at all.
But you went for
I not
cycling.
yes, I did exercise, cycling, everything,
Uh,
and I prepared like bread, butter, everything.
huh.
I
Uh,
ate some. I
uh,
went for the test center
uh-huh.
and I sat and I took some fruits and all and chocolate also I kept
Uh,
in break time I will take.
uh,
So in break time I took that and I went for exam.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then the second set of questions, 60 question, it was like hybrid question, not exactly in the mix. Intention was like something scope was defined, I am understanding something, and it was much easier than the previous 60 question. So it
Hmm.
was like predictive and hybrid mindset when
Hmm.
I'm solving the questions. So
Hmm.
risk was okay and everything was fine for me. So I started, and agile question was coming like randomly. It is coming. It is not like first agile question, first hybrid, repeat. So everything it is coming randomly. So second 60 question was fine. Means little tough but fine. At that time my concentration was, it was build actually. It was concentration was build. So I'm able to read
Read the
correctly and
question.
try to find answer. So
So
it was
one
okay.
question. One question, Bhavik. First 60, you took 2 hours. So
Yes,
second
yes.
60, how much of time it took?
Almost I said 60 minute, 60 to 65 minute.
You got a good speed there.
So
Hmm.
yeah, that time I got, because that time I'm seeing the time also. So fast tracking also I'm doing simultaneously. Fast tracking. I'm seeing the question with parallel answer also, means I did my mind like that. And last 60 question was like full fast track. Everything. Resource was not there. Otherwise I went for the crash. But fast track only was. So parallelly I used to see questions and okay, answer. So last 60 question was very good. Means there was some tricky question, but you can able to find,
Hmm.
not that deep level or that much paragraph. So
And
little two sentences, and so it was easy.
how many
And
minutes you had when you closed the exam? How many minutes you had with you?
no, actually, that was the main story. What happened? The 179 question, when I
Uh,
reached, I thought this is the last question because I was so fast track. No, I'm not able to see the timing. I know
oh,
that timing is there, very 1 minute or something was there, 1 minute or 2 minutes. And last question means 179 question was the drag and drop,
oh.
drag and drop. So six option were there, five actually. That question was storming, norming, that one. I remember.
Duckman rule.
Yes, Duckman. So uh, when I started this one, no, I forgot the last question actually. So when
Ah,
I think 15, 13 seconds was remaining, then I realized, oh, one more question is there. What to do now? Just I went to this question next, then it was 6 seconds.
ah.
I had not got time to see the question. Randomly, I selected last question actually. Randomly, I selected. I pressed the just to press the end button before that session was
Oh, God.
over,
Uh, that
and I
last
closed
question
my
randomly, the last question randomly you chosen, that is where your pass mark is.
eyes. I don't want to live like that such a way.
Yeah, I know. I
So
know.
I
It's not,
selected somehow. Within 3 4 seconds, I selected, and here we go.
you should be happy. You took 2 hours for first 60 questions. After that,
Almost.
you have covered 120 questions in next
Yes,
remaining hours. It means look at your speed. Such a speed you have traveled.
that's why
Oh man,
it
crazy.
was. But this four almost 4 hours, it was like real battle with me. Means I'm fight question, answer, and that brain is working like a different zone. I told no, when I submitted the button, even though this congratulation I came after, it took me almost 5 to 10 minutes to realize I got really passed. I called my instructor, please come and check I got pass or what. Then she told, yeah, you got passed. Congratulations. Then okay, I can wake. Then I wake up from that state.
Cool, man. That's really like the way you said. Again, it's pretty interesting. I know this exam is a little tricky. Also, I found one thing is you're able to catch up the speed next 120 questions. That's really a good, interesting
Yes,
thing.
that was.
You didn't lose a confidence. That's important. By the way, did you took the second break?
10 minutes break I took.
Okay, okay. I think
Second break also I took.
for every break, you had something to eat for yourself. Right?
Yes, that helps me a lot. Again, I went. Again, I ate. Apple was there and some chocolate, so I had it
I think this is
and I
tempting
went.
to take a break. I kept a sandwich there. Let me take a break.
Yes. I know
That's
you're foodie.
good, man. That's good. That's good. Nice to know that you did a good job. And how is it valued in your company? You're going to, I mean, in the domain where you are, because I do get a lot
uh,
of people from pharma coming for the classes.
yes.
So
See, now, okay, okay.
please go
I need
ahead.
to listen. I'm learning emotional intelligence also. I should listen. This one actually, I need to work. I need to listen. I'm little bit not that a good listener, but
Okay.
this one I'm even you remember first screen I shared to you my whiteboard. I took whiteboard, especially before exam. I took whiteboard. I need to write everything on board. So everything like you, whatever you told, how to plan exact 22 date last before 1 month only. I written pass in my
Okay.
board 22 April
Nice.
2021,
Nice.
and
Nice.
one day one I'm ticking everything. I
Nice.
wrote whatever you said, discipline, focus, everything I was written on board. Even this congratulation I was visualizing from last 10 days that
Uh-huh.
my after end my exam, it is congratulation, it is coming. That's helped me actually little, it boost me.
Uh-huh.
And finally that congratulation I saw.
Nice
So
to know.
best,
Good. Good. I know I saw your board after completing exam. You put a point that target achieved. So
yes,
that's
and then their
perfect.
green was there. You remember everything was red and their green I kept.
Nice, nice. So how is your family treating this? Are they happy?
Oh, yeah, they are so happy. Actually, 2 days before, only my wife, actually, my wife went to out of station, my
Okay.
sister home. So, actually, last 20, 10, 15 days, I got my own time to prepare actually really well. And the way you suggested, take 5 days,
Uh,
I think my manager will listen this. They will tell they took 5 days. But yeah, I took time and individual time. I went into that zone. Means
mm,
I was just eating, reading, and
mm.
practicing.
Very good.
That zone 5 days I went. So
Very
that
good.
really helps me actually.
That's needed.
Uh,
That's
yes.
needed. Very
And
good.
my family, I have a son.
Uh-huh.
So he starting all 3 months keep on disturbing. Actually, that helps me a lot.
Mm,
When people will tell, I have a family, I have a kid, I'm not getting time, but they help me a lot in that other way. See, I will tell, if you have a family, you need to give time that you can't, means can't neglect.
mm,
So when we are getting this type of constraint, no, you are actually making time for yourself. How I did, you won't believe. I used to go my office. I used to listen. It will take, I think, 30 to 40 minutes to reach. This one especially I purchased from Amazon.
mm,
This Samsung. I used to
mm,
listen
mm,
all training session 40 minutes initially. When I wake up, I used to wake up mostly 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whatever. But
mm,
I utilize time like, because I'm not getting time at home because my kid is there. He will interrupt everything.
mm,
I need to
mm.
do other activities. So all the like, I'm having lunchtime. Lunchtime I took this. I'm listening. Breakfast time. So there I filled my time with this PMI. Okay,
Nice.
this I need to do it. So all
Nice.
I made this time, because if I would have got time freely on at home, so it would not be discovered, right? So I discovered this timing. So free time I discovered where I can take this time and I can learn things.
Great.
So this helps me a lot. So
Great.
this is great actually.
So
I can make time. We
uh,
can make time. We
uh,
should not tell, okay, I don't have to have a kids, family. It won't matter. If you want to get time, you will get time,
good
because we
word.
are spending so much time here and there. So we can fill those time with this.
Nice. Well said. Well said. Whatever Stephen Covey tried to say in the big book, you said in few seconds. That's
Yes,
good. That's good. So what I understood is necessity is the mother of innovation. So
correct.
found a lot of stuff there. Great. Good. So you want to give some tips to the people who are preparing for exam. What do you have from your
Uh,
side?
yes, actually, PMI questions, it is all mindset, I would say.
Mm,
Means I read first Rita 2 times.
mm,
Then in last phase, I took Pepcast also.
mm,
But there, you not believe, I am not able to score above 65. Till now, I have not scored above 65.
Mm.
But Prepcast is okay. Time management, everything you can learn. But you can't compare Prepcast and PMI question.
Right,
Really,
right.
PMI question has different type of scenario based situation. Everything it will actually it will see your mindset. First thing, whenever you are doing this exam, you should not think about the give up. Anyhow, you have prepared well. You should not give up at the one till 180 question.
Mm.
That actually helps me a lot. If I would have give up no first session 60, then
Mm.
gone. They're only gone because your mindset will go. You will not try to find answer, not to try to find out everything. So you
Mm.
should not give up. This is my means only tip you can achieve it. You
Mm.
should not give up till 180. After submitting, you want to give up because the result will come. But till 180 question, you should not give up. You
Makes
should really go with that
makes sense.
passion. Hmm.
Right. That's a good tip for the people. And anything you want to tell for the people who have struggled in reading? Because you mentioned, Shriram, I don't have a great English background. It took time for me to come here. Like
Yes,
us,
yes,
like us, there are hundreds of people. So not everybody has that fluency,
correct,
right?
correct.
Everybody has trouble. I can
Yes,
see you came from the ground. I remember when the phone call you mentioned, Shriram, you don't know my background. I came somewhere from the far behind. And today I am
hmm.
in a better place. So if you want to give some tips to the people who struggle to read, get the language, how you want to tell them for the PMP?
I would say, uh, see, everybody is having different. Means if your mindset is like you are coming from good background, English background, you actually you'll little easy for you to understand the whole questions easily. But for me, like when I'm questioning, seeing the question, it is taking me time, almost to understand the concept first. So what I would suggest, uh, whenever the question is coming, how I did first 60 question. Whenever the question is coming, try to find some in question main point. Okay, this you said no highlight point, what they are talking, what they are not talking. So those point only actually important. You need no need to invest more time, uh, understand the concept, main point whatever is there, and you go to the answer and try to see any contradiction is there with that question. So that way you can eliminate actually. So first 60 question I went like that only. I try to understand. It took me time, but I was trying to eliminate, see any contradictory question is there, means answer is there. It is not at all related to you. So that way I used to eliminate. And uh, see, communication is important. I know, but means language is not that important. You came from different language, but to understand and communication is okay. Means if you have communication power, little bit English word not there, so you can make it actually. You know what I'm trying to say?
Understand. I got you. I got you. Completely understand. Because, see, I completely understand that not everybody come with a great amount of language. See, if this
Yeah,
same thing given in your regional language, the way you read an answer will be pretty faster. You won't take 2 hours,
yeah,
right? So the message is language is okay, one of the supporting tool. But important thing is understand the words. That's what you're telling, right?
yes,
Understand the key things.
understand the word.
Understand the key things in the question. Very good. Well said. Well said. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
And one more thing, last I would say,
Mhm.
actually last year in
Mhm.
2020, due to
Mhm.
Corona situation, actually I read a lot of books. Whatever you have mentioned in training session, no, all the books
Mhm.
almost I have read. You know, you won't believe 40 books I have read in 2020, almost 40.
You're spoiled.
Actually, that's that's helped me to learn everything, like uh, different domain, and that way that actually it boosted me. Yes, I can do it. So finally I did
Nice.
it.
Look at the way you are developing yourself. 7 years experience and the passion to learn management. You're when to talk to the manager, ask, hey guys, what you're doing? Tell me that. And when I give some books in the training, you took that, read it seriously. So I think it all shows a good leadership skill with you. And good wishes, Bhavik. You have to shine more. because
Yes.
a person from the bottom coming up to the top layer is very important because they know the pain of the people around the ground level, right? When you come as a junior engineer and keep growing higher, so that's really going to add value, right? Super, great. Once again, good wishes to Bhavik PMP here. He's
Thank
so
you.
excited. I like one thing with him. He went for cycling on the day of exam in the morning, and that was center-based exam. I really like his gut feel. Another thing I like with him is even though 2 hours gone for first 60 questions,
I
he
have
was
not
able
given up.
to, yeah, he was able to hold the nerves. In the break, he went and had some chocolates. Hey guys, life is cool, right?
Yes.
So that's what I like it. And viewers, thanks for watching this program. So tell me what you like in this tips, what he gave, and I'm sure you all encourage his courage, right? What he did there. Good job, super. Thanks, Bobby.
Thank,
Anything more you want to add?
thank you. Thank you for your really support. You teach me a lot things in during trainings. That it actually motivates more how to implement things. I used to write bucket. Implementation is very important. So I
And
learned so much things. Keep motivating people. I would say
thanks,
you are
thanks.
really a good coach, mentor. So thank you for everything.
Thanks, Bhavik. Thanks for trusting me and trusting our team. And we are here to support you and support everyone. Good
Yeah, one
wishes.
more thing, Rahul. So
Ah,
Rahul, thank for support, thank you, timely support, everything. Whenever I used to message, Rahul is supported the day, night. So thank you so much, Rahul, for your
nice.
support.
Nice. He'll be excited hearing it. Okay, fantastic.
Thank you,
Great all. Good. Thanks
thank
all
you.
viewers for watching this program and subscribe to our channel to listen more success stories. Leave your comments, what questions you want to ask from the successful people. And again, this is a day with Bhavik to talk about his success. Soon he'll come for another more certificates. We will interview him
Yes.
more, right? Good wishes. Thanks a lot, everyone.